Welcome to ZM Inventor. Today I will show you that what I had made in my class 12th physics project. The aim of my project was to study the variations in resistance and current flowing in a circuit containing LDR because of variations in the wavelengths of light using different colored LEDs and the distance of LEDs used to illuminate the LDR. The materials that were required are a breadboard, a multimeter, one LDR, 4 LED lights, 6 on-off switches, and a 9-volt battery. This is the circuit diagram of the circuit which I have made, and you will not find it anywhere else. This is the model of circuit. Let's connect it to battery and turn the multimeter knob to 2000 microamperes range and switch on the I button. As you can see, it is showing different values of current for different colors. Now, turn the multimeter knob to 2000 kilo ohms and switch on the R button. Again, as you can see, it is showing different values of current for different colors. See, this is an LDR whose resistance value changes due to change in intensity of light. I have placed it at different distances from the light source to measure different values of resistance. So, this was my project, and if you want the whole theory of this experiment, then please comment below and ask me for that. I'll send it in the description box. If you would have liked this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel.